Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Banh Flan. Start by preparing a clean workspace and assembling eggs, sweetened condensed milk, whole milk, and sugar for caramel. Use a shallow pan for caramel and small ramekins for custard. Gently whisk eggs, then mix with warm milk to avoid bubbles. Strain the custard to ensure a silky texture and set up your steaming or water bath before pouring. Warm and friendly tip: cook caramel slowly over medium heat so it turns a deep amber without burning. Once the sugar melts and darkens, remove from heat to stop cooking. Tilt each ramekin to coat the bottom with caramel, then set them aside to firm up. Keeping the caramel warm helps it spread smoothly when you pour the custard over it later. This step creates the classic glossy topping we all love. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for voice control and effortless floor care while you focus on cooking. It's great for catching crumbs and spills that happen during dessert prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For a tender custard, mix eggs with warm milk and sweetened condensed milk, stirring until smooth but not frothy. Strain the blend through a fine sieve to remove air pockets and cooked egg bits. Arrange ramekins in a pan filled with hot water for a bain-marie, or place them in the oven at moderate heat while checking for a slight wobble in the center. Cool before chilling to set fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.